You just got your new products in. You're ready to sell. But then it hits you. You need photos. You need to find a model that fits your brand, book a studio, hire a photographer, spend thousands of dollars, all before you've even made your first sale. What if I told you that the entire expensive process is now obsolete? This is SellerPic AI, an AI tool that creates stunning product shots, fashion models, and marketing videos, all from a single image of your product.
Let me show you how it works. First, head over to Google. Just search for SellerPic. That's SellerPic.ai. You'll find a magical AI tool in front of you, where all the magic will happen.
Before we dive into the how, let me show you the why you should use SellerPic. Here's what SellerPic can do for your brand. Tired of flat, lifeless product photos that don't connect with your customers? Instantly turn them into dynamic, on-model lifestyle shots that tell a story and boost conversions. Struggling with inconsistent lighting and messy backgrounds? Create a flawless, professional storefront with a consistent look across your entire catalog. Want to show customers how to style your products? Combine individual items to create and showcase complete outfits, increasing your average order value. Do you need engaging video content for your social media ads, but have zero video skills? Transform any generated image into a captivating promotional video in a single click. You can create a trending fashion image with any product image and then create a video from that image. It could be a dress, jewelry, sunglasses, bag, shoes, or any other product. By uploading just one image, you can create trending images and videos in just a few minutes, even if you have no technical knowledge.
All right, let's build a campaign from scratch. It's incredibly easy. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main dashboard. Here you'll find virtual try-on, accessories, virtual try-on apparel, swap fashion model, lip sync video, image to video, and so on. We'll start with the most popular feature, virtual try-on.
This is where you can take a photo of a shirt, pants, or dress and see it on a limitless variety of models. To show you the raw power, let's first use one of their built-in outfits on a stock model. The library is huge, but the filters at the top are key. You can dial in your exact target demographic by age, gender, and region. Now, watch the magic. The AI instantly masks the model's clothes. This step alone saves hours of tedious Photoshop work. We hit Generate, and in less than a minute, we have 4 unique, high-quality images. Look at the realistic lighting, the natural folds in the fabric. This isn't just a good image, this is a conversion-ready asset that builds customer trust. Now let's make it personal. I'm uploading my own products. I'll upload an image of a product like this simple sweatshirt. SellerPic automatically removes the backgrounds instantly. Next, we choose our model. You can filter by age, gender, and ethnicity to find the perfect representation for your brand. I'll select this one. Now for the fun part, the pose. Instead of guessing with prompts, you can just pick from a library of professional poses. I'll select a close-up front, close-up back, close-up profile view, and a detail shot front. Click Generate, and the AI gets to work. And there you have it. In seconds, we have professional shots ready to go. I have tested market-leading AI tools in this field. Getting this level of quality on the first attempt is what sets this apart. The fit is perfect, the product details are sharp, and there are no weird AI artifacts. You can even take this 1K image and instantly enhance it to 2K or even 4K resolution, ensuring your site looks premium and professional. But let's not stop there. Let's add an accessory.
because a great outfit needs accessories. This is perfect for increasing your average order value. Let's go to the Try-On Accessories feature. I'll upload an image of this beanie, and I'll take this image we just made. Select the head as the target area and generate. It's that simple to cross-sell and style your products. And it's done. A perfectly styled, complete look, created in seconds. So you have the perfect image. Now what? This is the final piece of the workflow. With one click, you can download the image, send it to Canva for more graphics, and this is huge for sellers. Push it directly to your Shopify store. Now, here's how you turn this amazing image into an ad. From the SellerPic dashboard, go to Image to Video. Upload your image which you have created now or earlier.
I'll go for the image what I created few moments ago. Then you can write prompts to create the video or select a preset for the video. There are a lot of poses preset available here. I'll choose this one to create a premium feel. You can add text, choose the format for social media, and generate. Simply click Generate Video to instantly create promotional videos for your ads.
Here our video is ready. Let's play. You now have a video ad ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any platform.
If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to the tutorial lab. Cheers!
Comment below and tell us how you would like to make a video of any of your products like this.
So let's recap. We went from a simple flat product photos to a complete, professional, multi-pose marketing campaign video without a single camera, model, or studio.
Stop spending thousands of dollars and weeks of your time on traditional photo shoots that deliver mediocre results.
In golden ratio precision, fueling your sales fast.
Remember, this isn't just about saving time and money. It's about empowering your brand to look as professional as the biggest names in the industry, which builds trust and boosts conversions. You can start creating for free right now. When you sign up for SellerPic AI, you get free credits to test out all of these features yourself. There's no risk. If you're ready to unlock this power for your brand, I've put a direct link to SellerPic AI for you in the description below. Try it out and let me know in the comments what product you would test with this first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.